So today we will be opening this beautiful bird. I record and repeat every word. Press N. Hold. I say what you say. Tweet and sing. Okay, so one moment. Here. Now time to. We're gonna cut this somewhere. We're gonna cut there. This is getting hard. Now we're just gonna hold this back. That's just gonna. We have to. You need to slip this part that my scissors are on, and then we can just cut a little hole there. So we are just gonna cut right over here. Don't do this at home. You're gonna get cut. We're just trying to look for an easier way. First, you know what?
Right here. Cut the head off.
Okay.
Cut the little head off.
Okay. I don't want to cut the bird. We have going another way. Okay, we are just gonna get an assistant for this. We're getting an assistant for this. It's because it's too hard for us. This is too hard for us. So we're just getting an assistant to help this. There. We're almost done. Just the other side. And then we can get the plastic off. Oh my gosh! We can't, even the assistant can't do this. So, this is gonna be super hard. So we're just gonna wait a little longer. While we're waiting, okay, I'll be back because I have another one of these birds. He's getting in the cardboard knife. He's getting in the cardboard knife. Never do this without an adult. You need an adult for this. Okay, this guy's gonna hold that while I'm doing this. Okay. Okay, we have to do the other side now. What? I will hate. Okay, I need my scissors. I need the scissors for this. Never do this. It's too hard. Because this is just gonna kill you guys. Or cut you guys. Never do this with scissors. We're just trying to get this. We need the other side. We're gonna go back in with the knife. Can you go back in with the knife? You have to go back in with the knife. We need to go back in with the knife. This is not working. We're just gonna try tear this. It's not working.
Okay, hold this.
Okay, we're just gonna go in with the knife. Don't play with knives at home. We're just doing this because we can, and we want to just make this fast. Okay, we're just gonna actually take this out of here, far away. Okay, there, we got it. We got her. Now we're just gonna pull her out. No, what? We can't do this. We can't do this. Wait, there's some. Okay, that's not the right thing. We're just gonna try pull this as hard as we can. And also, make sure like and subscribe the video to help us doing this. We can't do this. We're gonna have to go in with something. I'll be back, guys. What is this bird? Hey! Okay. We are just gonna. Oh, hello, treasure double treasure. What you doing? Okay, we are getting this bird out. We are getting this bird out. Hello? Okay, get out. We are back with these scissors. We don't want to cut the bird.
Let's make it.
We do tacos.
Oh.
Taco.
We're just gonna cut this. Okay, I think we're gonna wrap this up for now. See you in part 2.